how to sign in to your Life360 account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily sign in to your Life360 application online. So first thing what you can do is simply head over to your Play Store and make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed this application. So from over here, simply open the application and you'll be seeing this interface. Simply click on Get Started and just enter your phone number. And once you enter your phone number, simply click on Continue and it will ask you to add your Gmail. So simply give your Gmail as well, just like this. And once you give your Gmail, make sure it's correct one and simply click on Continue. And it will send you a 6-digit code to your Gmail. So simply wait for some time until you receive your Gmail code and enter it here. So once you enter your verification code, simply it will ask you to enter your first name and last name. So simply type in your first name and last name just like this and simply click on Continue from over here. And it might ask you to enter your birthday, and if you are under 13 you will need an adult with you to create your account. So select your birthday accordingly. So simply select the correct birthday platform over here and simply click on Continue, and it will ask you to enter your circle code, invitation code for your joining a circle. If you don't have, simply click on this create a new circle from over here and simply click on Continue. And you can share this code with your family via your text it or email or just like that, and simply click on share code and you can successfully share your code just like that using different social media platform. And simply click on I am done sharing, and it will ask you to how would you describe your role in this circle. So it will ask you about your role just like that. Simply you can continue and skip. You can also enable these locations from over here just like this, and you can just click on this remind me later and click on Continue, and you will have to get started with your application just like this. So that is exactly how you can easily sign in to your official login 360 account. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.